milk out of here. Cat lady here. Wow. So I just finished, as you saw in my other video, installing my vertical mount. I'm just in awe of it right now. It's pretty neat. But so I got kind of cheap, and I don't really enjoy the pricing of most water cooling fittings. I bought some. I've had XSPC. I bought a bunch of them. They're okay, mostly barb fittings. I bought some of their 90-degree rotary fittings, and those leaked kind of really poor quality. They all leaked. Every single one of them leaked when I took apart my wall mount build. Every single one of them leaked. So I went ahead and took a shot and went on eBay, and I found some Chinese fittings, if you will. They are from China. They ship from China. It's hard to tell. I'll probably see if I can put a picture of this. I'll put a picture. You'll see the picture. But I bought some, if you can see it, some compression fittings for soft tubing, because that's what I use, soft tubing, because I'm lazy and I haven't really got into hard tubing yet and bending and all that. But I bought a bunch of fittings off of eBay, some compression ones. I've used them in here now. Some 45-degree rotaries, some 90-degree rotaries, and I used them in my new improved wall mount, which I should show you too. And it's great. These things are awesome. I think I paid, and probably the prices are going to change and vary a lot, but for my 45-degree elbow ones, I paid under $250. For the 90-degree rotary, I think I paid under $2 a fitting. For the compression fittings, they're a little bit more. I think I bought those at probably under $3 a fitting. But if you compare that to EKWB and those guys and stuff, you're paying, damn near probably $6 to $10 per fitting, which is a ton of money. And so far, I can't see anything wrong with the quality on these. They don't leak, and if you saw my last video where I did have a leak, well, that was because I didn't tighten one of my fittings. So I really honestly have nothing. So far, I've been using my new improved wall mount here. I use several. I replaced all of the XSPC elbows, 90-degree elbows, rotary ones in there, because they all leaked. Every single one of them leaked. And I've had zero issues so far. That thing's been going on by itself now for a week, and I've had zero issues. I don't know how long it took for those XSPC ones to start leaking. I didn't notice that, but it was, yeah, you look at the back of that board and it's all, I don't know. I'm done with XSPC. I'm done with them. Overpriced, poor quality in my opinion. So I am going to keep going with the cheaper route so far, because I like to save some money. And if you want to save some money and get off to your water cooling venture cheaply, well, buy some of these little guys, man. I guarantee you they're on eBay still somewhere. Several different metal colors, and I can't complain. I can't complain at all. So yeah, there's my little rant on water cooling fittings from eBay. No leaks, and pretty good quality at a great price so far. If I have any issues later on, I will post it here. Thanks for watching.